Right, so I was out for a bash on the weekend and my UDR ESC decided to pack up. I was waiting for it, to be honest. So never mind, because we got this. A lot better, man. Programmable. I got the Max 5 on the X Max. Absolutely love it. Got here shrink, manual, stickers. I love stickers. So yeah, that's that. Can use one of these for the series wire. No problem. So I think these should plug straight in. Yes. Alright, that's the plugs all soldered on. Stuck with the XT90s. So get this thing in the truck. Right, so I've just drumbled out the original battery plug holder. As you can see, they sit in there nice now, nice and solid. And they should, when they're in that way in the truck, they'll be held in with some screws anyway. Right, so I've decided I'm going to screw this in, as well as this double-sided foamy stuff. It's going to go in there quite nice. Have got to face it this way though for the motor wires, but I don't think then the signal wire is going to reach. I mean, it's going to be tight, but regular masking tape, and then just mark the holes out. Probably won't do that because I'll wreck the pen. Put it about there. Looks pretty good. In theory, they should all be lined up. No, my luck, they won't be. The ESC is now installed, nice and solid. Motor wires just reach. I did shave out around these bits, just so I could get the bolts nice and flush. So this isn't going to be long enough, like I thought. Make an extension for this, so I don't put no stress on the connections. Okay guys, so it's all installed. I've plugged this in and, you know, set a few parameters that I think I'll be happy with. I'm going to put a bit of braid on this wire, I think. A bit over braid, just so you don't really notice as much from the back. Quite visible. Right, so we've now got the covering on the wire. I want to try and keep this, or this part, sort of attached all the time, so the fan can still run, but so this can be used, you know, without having to take the outer shell off. I'm just wondering if I can take the white one out, stiff it on there in that clip, and then put the red and the black, sort of solder that into this one. I'm to see first if it doesn't go into programming mode when it's switched on without this attached. I think I might put this down with the motor wires, and then if I do want to program it, it's just a case of whipping the bottom panel off. Or still, it could be cool to have it coming down with the battery connectors. I don't know. Right, soldered up now, connected in. I don't know if you can see that very well. Yeah, you get the idea. I think we're now going to put this in the battery compartment, and then I'll make an end to go on this, so this is almost a little bit of it sticking out, and then I can just plug it on and go from there. Do you know what, I'm tempted to take this back out real quick, and then I can just slip it down there. Do that quickly, take 2 seconds. So I'm trying to get it down that gap there. Just down through there next to that connector. Should be golden. There we are. I suppose we should check really that the fan wheel's working, shouldn't we? So this is the 6S pack I run in here. 5,800 milliamp hour. As you can see, it fits just literally perfect. Yep, she's good. Right, so it's all installed now, folks. I've decided just to put the switch on there. I've seen a guy on the Facebook groups did the same thing, so I thought it looked pretty neat, so I thought, sod it, I'll put it on there. Can still use it quite easily, it's out of the way, so that'll do me, I think. So yeah, all good to go. Just need to get some time now to go out and dial it all in. Anyway, thanks for watching. Cheers.